Sad news. Before we continue this news, if you are watching us for the first time, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell to get notified when we drop another video. LATEEF Adedimeji shares gratitude to God amid speculations of personal challenges. Nollywood actor LATEEF Adedimeji recently took to Instagram to share a heartfelt message that has left fans speculating about what might be happening in his life. The talented actor, known for his exceptional performances on screen, posted, "I don't say it enough, but thank you God, for carrying me through my worst days and my best days." While the message exudes gratitude, its tone has sparked curiosity and concern among his followers, with many wondering if the star has been navigating difficult times behind the scenes. LATEEF, who is celebrated for his resilience and positive outlook, did not disclose any specific details, leaving room for interpretation. Fans have since flooded the comments section with prayers and words of encouragement, reminding him of how much he inspires others. Some expressed hope that his message is a reflection of triumph over challenges rather than current struggles. This isn't the first time LATEEF has been open about his reliance on faith and gratitude to navigate life's ups and downs. Whether it's through his personal reflections or his roles in movies, he often emphasizes perseverance, faith, and the importance of acknowledging divine support. While the actor continues to remain tight-lipped about the specifics, his post is a timely reminder of the importance of gratitude and faith in both good and challenging times. For now, fans are united in their support, wishing him strength and continued success in all his endeavors. Share your thoughts and subscribe to this channel.